What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on link breaker. So I know a few of you guys been hitting me up saying that you were having some errors, like you couldn't log in, or you simply just couldn't shorten stuff, or whatever the case may be. So I had my developers go back there, do all their techie stuff in the back. So everything should be working now on your end. If you are still having problems, be sure to hit me up, send me your email and all that stuff, so that way I can send that over to them, and then they can take a look at your account and everything should be golden. Now, we are also going to go over some CPA stuff because that's ultimately why I had this made here. Because, when you first start out, you lose so much money because you aren't tracking, and you might not have enough money for CPV Labs, which is like a $300 tracking software and stuff like that. So basically, that's why I had this set up here. So your CPA offered URL would go right here, and it's not like how Bitly or TinyURL or the Google shortener is, where when you try to put that in there, they either just don't let you do it, or they give whenever you set up your campaigns and it's running and stuff, every time someone clicks on it, it'll give them a page saying, oh, this URL has been known for stealing pages, or it's not secure, or all this extra stuff that they'll have on their pages. So basically that'll scare your customer or your person that you're going to have go through and stuff, to complete the offer. They don't want to do it now because, I mean, why would they want to go through that when it literally just said that their credit card information could be stolen, and other people's credit card information have been stolen, or they just simply block it to where you're sending traffic, and then like they just say, oh, well, this doesn't work, oh, we don't support this offer, go back to wherever you came from and alert the person or whatever, some shit like that. So basically they have it set up to where you can't even track your CPA URL. And other than link breaker here, I don't really think there are too many others that you can actually track CPA URLs, which means that you don't know how many clicks you're getting, you don't know where your traffic's coming from, you don't know a lot of information that can literally make you thousands of dollars. So you aren't tracking yet, definitely make sure you get in here. And again, this is 100% free for you guys to use. There's an upgraded plan, but it's like literally like $3-4 a month. So I'm not even trying to hear that at all. But so you see right here, you got your CPA URL. So if you go in, put in your alias for it, whatever you want that to be. You can have it expire if you, for some reason, you want it to expire. You can have the password set. You can have a description. You can have it as a frame or splash page. And then this is the most important stuff down here. So you're going to go by your geo-targeting. Now, once you get some data, then you'll be able to know. So you can see, like, over here, we got the real-time data. So like, I haven't had any links made on this account for about a good month, but you can see we still get a couple of clicks every single hour here. So you can see for this one right here, we got an iPhone user from Canada. The referral is YouTube, and they went to the Team DeAngelo sign up page. So if we click the sign up page here, it's going to tell us how many clicks we got. So we got 5,444 clicks. It's going to tell us how many shares we got, when we created it, the whole 9 yards, right? So let's just scroll down here so we can get some data. All right, so as you guys can see, top countries is coming from the United States. 60% of my traffic is coming from the United States, right? Now, with the average person, when they do, let's pretend this is a CPA offer, right? So let's say you got your CPA URL in there, stuff like that. You're sending traffic, and you have it set to just United States. Now, this just told you only 60% of your traffic is coming from the United States. That means you're literally losing 40% of your clicks. Like, isn't that something? Like, just something as simple as knowing that now we can go and get another offer. So you see right here, United Kingdom and Thailand are the next runner-ups, right? So we would come down here, all right, and then of course we would have our United States, so we have our United States, we put in our URL for that. Then we come down with Thailand, all right, put in our Thailand offer right here. So we can go to another network or wherever, put in the URL. So anyone that comes from Thailand is now going to go to that URL instead of going to the URL that's only for United States, and basically just, just being dead clicks. You know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, you can't do anything with them. All right. And then the next one was, United Kingdom. All right. So then same thing. We go over here, click add more locations. Then we're going to click, United Kingdom. And then boom, right? So then we put that information, then we put in the URL for United Kingdom. Now you see, just that alone will literally make you thousands of dollars. Like, just that alone right? Because you all of this here was literally just going like that was 282 clicks that would have went to the garbage. That's 168 clicks from Thailand that would have went to the garbage. You know, that's 163 clicks that would have went to the garbage from Canada, right? So again, we go back here, put in our information. All right, same thing, Canada. Boom, put in the URL for Canada. There you go. All right, it's literally just that simple. Okay, so now we're gonna come down again, and let's say we got a URL or an offer that it doesn't work on iPhone, or it doesn't work on Android, or there's separate links for iPhone and Android. You're gonna do the exact same thing. So let's say we got our iPhone here, we got the iPhone offer that's gonna go right here. Then we got the Android offer that's going to go right here. Then, let's say the people who click from BlackBerry, that's going to go right there, and, we got the iPad people that go right there. And then, you got the other. So there's going to be, depending on where you promote, there's normally always going to be other mobile, right? It's just going to be like, it just doesn't register, it just doesn't know what it is. So that's one you want to have set for a universal type of clicks. Universal type of offer. So again, you're also going to be able to get that data down here as well. So it's going to tell you the operating system, the browser. It's going to tell you where your referrals are coming from. So as you can see, the top referral for this one here is, youtube.com. So that's where, because it's literally in every single one of my videos. I actually don't know what this top level one is here, but I guess they just sending stuff out. I don't know, And then this one's like direct. So let's say I run a campaign and I use this, and I send it out in an email campaign or something like that. That's what those will come from. And then of course linkbreaker.com, because I got little ads and stuff on there, so that comes up as well. But yeah, so this is going to tell you all that information. It's also going to tell you if you get any social shares as well. So if you click the page or whatnot, sometimes depending on when I have it set up or whatnot, but it'll basically take you to a page of like, would you like to continue? You can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Twitter, anything along those lines. So you can see people have shared it on Twitter 21 times. So that's just like some free traffic. Shout out to the people that shared it from me, showing that love. But yeah, that is pretty much it in a nutshell. You're going to be able to track your pixels, of course. You see your pixels right here. And again, this works with, all your stuff, like literally all your stuff. So you can see, like, we just got another click 43 seconds ago. Same thing going to the Team DeAngelo YouTube channel. So I mean Team DeAngelo website. So as you can imagine, like, you're just getting clicks all day long, going to the Team DeAngelo site. People are signing up, and stuff like that. And I don't even have to do anything, But again, this could be the same thing with your CPA offers. You need to know all of this data here. So let's go and check out another random link, right? So you see this one right here has gotten 2,760 clicks. And then same thing, United States, 65%. That means we're literally losing 35% if we're only promoting offers that work for the United States. So you see, like, just that alone, guys, literally, you're going to lose so much money if you don't know where your traffic is coming from. Like, literally every click counts. Like, don't look at like, oh, United Kingdom. Oh, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to have anything set up for that. Or Canada, I'm not going to have anything set up. That's only 3%. It only takes one click to get you a conversion. Like, that's it. It only takes one click for a sale. So every click matters, guys, okay? And then the same thing, you're going to have your referrals. It's going to tell you where your stuff is coming from. As you can see on this one, I got some shares on Twitter and Facebook. So again, shout out to those people. And, that's it, So you again, over here, you can create your splash pages, your overlay pages, set up your tracking pixels. Oh, I highly recommend making a custom domain. All right, so let's say yours is freedogfoodoffers.com or something like that, right? You're going to be able to get all this same data and stuff like that, but instead of using linkbreaker.com, you're going to be using your dogfoodoffer.com, right? So again, you're going to get all the same stuff, but instead of using the linkbreaker domain, which everyone is using, you can use your own custom domain, and then that's going to be able to allow you to post in places like you wouldn't be able to. So let's say like right now, I think link breaker is most likely banned on Facebook because people were trying to shorten their CPA links and then put it on Facebook, and everyone knows CPA links are banned from Facebook, so they kept doing it with the link breaker, and then so then link breaker got banned, right? So you don't want to again do that because even if you put your own domain here, again your domain will end up getting banned as well. Link breaker is not a cloaker, okay? A cloaker and a shortener are two completely different things. Like even if you take your CPA and you create your, you generate your URL and stuff over on CPV Labs as a $300 product, and you still would not be able to do it because that is not a cloaker. A cloaker and a shortener are two completely different things. You cannot take a CPA URL and put it on Bitly, link breaker, tiny URL, the Google shortener. Like obviously those they won't even let you like shorten your URL anyway. But if they did, you still wouldn't be able to post that on Facebook or anything along those lines because they are not cloakers. If you want to be able to promote offers, directly on Facebook, you have to buy a cloaker, and those normally go for around $300-400, on a cheap end per month. You can normally find some that are like $150 a month or whatever, but those normally go by clicks, and they don't give you an unlimited amount of them. Like they give you like let's say 20,000 clicks. I mean, like that's not a lot at all. You can burn that up in a day. So for that, I don't really mess with any of those, but again, if you're running small campaigns, by all means, you can do that all day long and stuff. Or if you're just running like free traffic on Facebook, you'll be able to, do that stuff. But yeah, that is pretty much it for that here. I'm thinking I want to make sure I covered everything, because it's really important. But yeah, thinking that's pretty much it. So again, if you aren't tracking, guys, even if you're using free traffic, track, guys. Like all this that you see right here, all this right here is all 100% free traffic. Like just my free traffic account here. So like all of these clicks you see that's coming in, every hour, whatnot, all 100% free. And as you can see, like YouTube, like so all of this is coming from YouTube right here. Absolutely love YouTube. Literally made thousands of dollars 100% free from YouTube, and ain't got to do a damn thing for it. Make a few videos here and there, and just help people out. People really appreciate you helping people out. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you got any questions drop them down below. Also, if your account for whatever reason isn't working or it's not like working on your end at all, just shoot me an email or the text number or whatever with your email details or whatever that's on your account, so that way I can just forward that over to the developer, and then they can just take a look at your account and see what the problem is.